Okay, in here, where is the?
Scroll down to see WebLogic or
But when you
search
can,
for
I think
PeopleSoft.
you look for the Fusion middleware something, wasn't it?
That was a different page actually. This is not the page.
Okay,
Uh,
maybe we go there. Then.
Go back.
This one?
Uh, y- yeah, just click on the second link. Let's see what's there.
Click of this.
Okay, not this one. Okay, in Oracle support, go to Oracle support in search, in the search box, put CPU patch,
Okay.
CPU patch, search for it.
Yeah. Okay.
Can you put
So
October?
here, this one.
No, no, this is just for Fusion middleware, right?
Upgrade for the document. No, for this one.
No, no, we
Okay.
want the full list.
Okay.
Just type CPU patch, CPU
You
October patch.
at 2024 October.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yes. Yes. Search for it.
Yeah.
Mm, no. One second. Let me search at my end. Oracle. The page that we saw was a different page last time, right?
Yeah. I
Not this.
exactly.
Uh,
I thought I could.
one.
I went from here. Uh,
No problem. We can click on the links. Go to that patch advisory page.
patch advisory.
The- In Google search, you had searched for Oracle CPU, right?
Yeah.
The first link. The first link.
This one.
Scroll up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here you search for WebLogic. Yeah. Click on that link. Or
Here.
sorry, you go to PeopleSoft Enterprise People Tools 861. Just below that there is People Tools 860861. Click on that.
This one. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the one. This is not what we saw, right? You still there?
Sorry, my connection got interrupted.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oracle patch. Oracle CPU.
Go back to the advisory and
Here. Okay.
yeah, and one second, let me
Logic. And maybe just look for PeopleSoft.
one second. Just give me one second. I'm just going through this page. This is just the list of.
Give me the link. Okay, so this is the one critical path optimizer for Oracle Fusion Middleware. This is the one you did last time. So if I, it was this one. So Oracle Fusion
Yes.
Middleware.
Okay. Yeah. Then in the search result, please click on this in Oracle support. This is
This
an
one. Okay.
Oracle support document.
Mm.
I think it was there in the search results. Go to Oracle
Okay.
support. No, no, don't search anything here. Go to Oracle support.
Here,
Yeah, and search there October CPU
CPU
patch.
patch
Yeah,
2024 and this Oracle October.
yeah,
Yeah, this one.
yeah.
No,
No, no,
not
the October.
this one. Yeah.
Yeah, first. Yes, correct. Click on that.
For some reason it's a bit slow today. Okay,
Yeah.
this is yeah. Okay.
Yes, right. This
Yeah.
is the one.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna
You can.
we want to go to this. We don't need this one. We go here.
Yes. So, or you can use uh, the menu which is on the left side. This introduction FMS. No, no, not this one.
Yeah.
This. Yeah, these ones. So click on Oracle WebLogic Server.
Here, this one.
Yeah,
Okay.
there you are on 14.1.1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Click here.
So no, no, no. It is already clicked.
Yeah, select it. Correct.
Yeah. So
So
first
the
is
first
database
step one
check.
is Oracle database check.
Yeah. To be compatible, it should be patched with July 2021 PSU or later, right? So,
Ours is it was very less. 2020
yeah.
four.
So we are on the latest one, January
Yeah.
2024. So this should be met.
Yeah.
Next is upgrade Java.
Okay. So you got to do this one. If it's this
This
one.
should be at least uh,
So we can check.
11.0.25. We can check. Go to Putty
Mhm. Okay. So go to the please.
and go to PS ADM2
Okay. Yeah.
and uh, go to.
You get a Java version or no?
No, no, you can directly execute Java hyphen version.
Double or one?
Only one. Enter. It is 0.23. So we have to upgrade it.
We are 111.023. Yeah.
Right. And just type which Java.
Okay.
Type in Putty which Java. Enter. So it is going to give you the path from where it is um, picking up this executable, right?
yeah.
So let's go back to your browser. Let's download the patch for Java.
Okay.
So you have to click on the second link, which is for Java 11.
This one. But ours
Yeah.
was 11.023.
Yes. So we have to make it 0.25 or later. So
Okay.
in the first column, first column patch, there are two links. The first one is for Java 8, right, which is not applicable for us. The second
Okay.
link is for Java 11. So click on that.
Okay. Gotcha. Click here.
Yeah.
I should click the right click. Yeah.
Yeah. Now this one is
Download.
for Linux. Yeah, you can download it for
So you
Linux.
click the one that is applicable to you.
Yeah,
Download.
correct. Now download.
Okay.
Yeah, download this.
You do include or
That is
not?
disabled. No, no, that is disabled.
Okay. So how do I download?
You
Just download
click on that zip file.
the
No,
file.
no, you click on the zip file. Yeah.
Okay. So we got this one, and then we can close this. Yeah.
Yeah, you can close this whole window.
And we go back. Oh no. What is this? All this one.
Yeah, here. Now
We
the
got
third
the
step is
okay, third step is
to
this is
apply
for
the patch
patches,
using
one of these
either
options.
SPB. Yeah. So
Yeah.
let's go with the first option.
What
Click
is the
on
you said the U patch O patch is the old one, yeah?
O patch is the old way of doing it.
Yeah, this is three
Earlier
years
there was
back we
only
started, right?
right.
But is this everybody does SPB? This is
Uh, on Windows, I've seen uh, like we do it through SPB on Windows at least,
okay.
uh, but
For
I
Linux?
don't remember exactly. Just click on that patch and see if you can download it for your Linux version as well. Click on that link
Okay. So this is
and
uh, the download.
download.
But is there anything? Nothing. Do we need to worry about anything of this? No, not this. We don't care
No,
now,
no.
right? Just or download.
Yeah, download. Till then, let me just confirm.
Okay, there is no.
There is nothing to, there's no option to select the
No, there
version,
doesn't say
right?
anything about the Windows or Linux.
Yeah, just give me one minute. I'll just confirm
Sure.
if it is only for Windows or it
Okay.
is for Linux as well.
Hmm. Okay, this is done. If I click this, there's only one thing. Anyway, I'll just try to click it,
Yeah.
right? Rather than just waiting. Okay, so
Okay, no, it is applicable for both Linux as well as Windows. You can
okay,
download it.
okay, I'll download it both. Um, so we can use this one. Right? We don't need to use Opatch.
Right. O patch, the latest O patch is what it does is it will download all the patches which are missing, right?
Mm.
So you don't have to, like, it will follow everything step by step. Now,
Yeah.
basically, you had two options, right? You can either apply the below patches manually one by one, or you can go with stack patch bundle, which contains all your patches,
Yeah.
right? For example, in option two, the first step is to update your O patch to this version, right?
Mm.
Then
Mm.
the next step is to apply this WLS WebLogic patch, then JDBC and all of this, right? So all of these steps are taken care automatically by this SPB. So
Mm.
it gives you the latest O patch as well bundled with this. So it is going
Mm.
to do it using O patch, but it is going to automate everything,
Mm.
right? So you don't have to do all the steps manually. It
Okay.
will do it in one go.
Okay. Understand. Okay, but if there is when we applying the patch through the SPB, and say we sometimes we might face the problem, then do we go back to the O patch?
Yeah, we can go back to the O patch.
Is it?
Yeah.
So we see where the problem is. Then so okay, when it fails, will it implement all the patches? Um, so if it fails, for instance, these are all the patches that would be included in SPB, I presume, right? One, two, three, four, five, six, or like seven, eight, nine, right? So again here now you got this. This one is so I'm not sure which one it will pick. This one or that one in SPB. So which one will it pick?
It will pick as per your like current version, and it will do its own checks,
Oh, okay, okay.
and
So it,
whatever
it,
is
will, it will
applicable.
download everything, but it will pick the based on whatever idea you've got there.
Right, correct. And this
Okay.
stack patch bundle is only for 14 version, WebLogic 14. So
Yeah.
everything is bundled together, and then whatever is applicable is applied.
Okay. Mm. Okay. Understand.
Okay, so both the files are downloaded, is it?
Yes.
Let's transfer them to the Linux server.
Okay. So
Go to go to command prompt and SCP.
this is administrator. Okay. We don't need this, right?
This is not needed.
Okay. So we go to the download?
Yeah, go to downloads folder.
What's happening here? Okay. CD. What is download? Oh, this could be in. I don't know where this download is. I hope it's not in. See users. This is the one, yeah? Okay. Okay, so we got dir. What is this one? What is this called? PT. dir uh, p dot zip. Okay, these are the two files here. We need to download,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I do what is that? I do SPC or Win SPC.
SCP. SCP.
SPC and
Space
root.
source file name.
Root isn't it?
You can no,
Oh, first.
source file name first. So you can type p no small p
Yeah,
star
P
small p star
star the
dot zip.
zip.
So these are the only two files which start with small p, right? And have the
Uh,
extension dot
is
zip.
it? No, no, but I did small p, but still it came.
Okay, okay, right. So in that
I think
case,
this is Windows
do,
doesn't care about that.
okay, okay,
I
do
think we just
one
have
thing.
just P5,
You
P2.
No, no. Instead of p star 7 star dot zip, because 7 is not there in
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
any of the below files.
Understand. Okay. P P question 7, yeah? Star. So if I just
Yep.
do GIR, there's a two
Yes,
came, right?
that's correct.
Okay, let's do the SCP. SCP and
Those
in
file
the
names and then target
root
folder. So root at the rate server name or server
at
IP.
this one is 198.86.36. That's it, yeah?
No, colon
Column, yeah.
slash root.
Oh, the root directory. Okay.
Yeah. Enter.
So let's look into this
It should ask you for the
password.
password. Yeah.
Specific connection close. Port 22. Is this a root
You
or this is a column?
colon should be there. Colon
Is it?
and then the directory. Yeah.
And you
But the
need
IP address,
hash no.
is the IP address correct?
Uh,
Show me show me what you've used in Putty.
yeah, this is a 198, 186, 168.86.87.
7. Yeah. Mm,
Sorry, sorry. 192.
okay.
Okay, yes, that's it. So you want to say yes?
Yes.
Yes. Uh, 1, 2, 3.
Password.
Okay, good. Geez, that I got a scare there.
Now, just check who is the owner of WebLogic directory.
Well, directory. Okay.
Go to
C
go to your tux dir. See if tux dir is set. cd dollar tux dir
D dollar T
tux dir
X.
together. Yeah. pw ls hyphen ltr. PSADM1 is the owner, right?
Hmm.
Just go one folder back, one more folder back.
Yeah.
Yeah, see who is the owner of the folders here. PSADM1. Okay, you'll have to switch the user to PSADM1 and then perform this activity.
So why we have PSADM one and ADM? So these owners are normally always PSADM one for these is for the installation.
So during installation,
Yeah.
what your VirtualBox DPK does is it creates multiple users.
Yeah.
PSADM 1, 2, 3, and they are used for different purposes. PSADM1 is to install uh, all the middleware software. PSADM2 is to manage your CFG home. Oracle user is to manage your database. So it has created different users. But in your system, like in your production or non-prod system, you'll just have one user. You will not have so many users.
I thought it was,
Anyway, you
I saw there they had like PSADM one, 2, 3 as well.
oh, is it? So just
Yeah.
see if the owner of these folders are same or they are different.
Oh, okay. 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 So okay, we need to be
So
careful with order we are. So now to do this, we need to switch to PSADM one.
No, actually we don't have to, because WL server's owner group is O install, which is again, I mean,
Yes.
PSADM2 is also part of O install,
Yes.
right?
Okay.
But you better change it to PSADM1, and then we'll do this activity.
Okay. So we changed our so we are under
User.
PSA, right? So we log out.
Yeah, log out, and first you transfer those files before switching the user,
Yeah.
transfer those
Yeah.
files to
Okay.
PSADM1 home.
Okay.
See if they have, if the copy is complete.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's complete. Now copy these files to home PSADM1.
Home PSA one.
Yeah. So you move these files mv
Yeah.
space p dollar zip, sorry, p star zip
Mm.
space slash home slash PSADM1
Slash home slash
slash PSADM1.
one.
Enter.
And that's it.
Yep. Now
Okay.
switch user. Okay, you have to change the ownership as well. Go to home PSADM1 and type ch own PSADM1
PSADM
1
one.
colon o install
One
space file name. So p star.zip.
okay.
Check. Okay. Now switch the user to PSADM1.
Yeah, before we had PSADM two, so we go to one now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So this
Now
will
just,
this one. Okay. Mm.
yeah.
Mm.
Now verify if there is any JDK folder in PT. Go to your PS home, CD PS home.
CD dollar.
Yeah, dollar PS home. Go one step back. So there would be JRE folder here, but we have to check if there is any. Yeah, JDK folder is also there, right?
Yeah.
So this JDK folder,
Here
just
is
check the
here.
Java version. JRE is there. Go to JDK.
Okay.
Go to bin. Now execute Java hyphen version here.
Same 11.023.
Same, right? 023. Okay, so we have to replace both of these,
Mm.
JRE as well as JDK. Go back to home PSADM1.
So did you say we need to replace both JDK and JRE both?
Yes. So what happens is JDK stands for Java Development Kit. So
Yeah.
it is required when you are developing your application, right?
Okay.
JRE is just the runtime component of it. It does not have the supporting tools which are required for development.
Mm.
So in a usual structure, your JDK is going to contain JRE. So there is, I'll show you. Go to home PSADM1. We'll have a look at the structure of the folder.
PSFE.
Unzip the first one, Linux, type unzip space and the first file name.
Okay, so this one is which one is this?
It is
This
JDK.
is
It is
this is
JDK.
JDK. Is that the first one we in downloaded?
Right, correct.
Or this one?
And yeah,
Okay,
better
first
you
we download
download it.
JDK. Okay, I understand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Better you download it, like unzip it in a new folder.
Yeah.
Before executing unzip, create a new folder. Type mkdir jdk, capital JDK,
why did you use the capital JDK?
because the small JDK is for the installation. I mean,
Okay,
like any temporary folders that we create, I usually create it with capital letters.
capital.
Letters.
Yeah. Just the convention you use.
Yeah. Enter.
Okay.
Now type unzip space hyphen d
Just hyphen D.
space JDK, capital JDK. So you're specifying the target directory in which you have to unzip.
Yeah,
Then space the zip file name. Enter.
and then.
Yeah.
Hmm. So this is 11.0.25. Okay.
Yeah.
There's a we need to untar this.
Yes, correct.
Is it?
Go to go to the folder, JDK folder,
There
and
are a lot.
open the README file. Open the README file.
Okay.
Okay.
Nothing. The
That's
installation
okay.
is available with delegated
We
me.
we just have to unzip the tar file. So type tar
So we
space
got like three. This is for the private Debian thing, RPM. We use this one, is it?
right RPM. Yes, so the first one is for Ubuntu and
Hmm.
those flavors. Right. The second one RPM is for Oracle Linux and Red Hat.
Yeah.
So we can either go with RPM. We can install it using yum. And the next option is you can directly unzip the compiled version of it,
Okay.
right?
So you could
The
do
tar,
any. So in
right?
our case, we could you could yum RPM or we could just use untar.
Right,
Yeah.
correct. So tar
Okay.
hyphen
Yeah.
xvf space the tar file name.
Yeah.
Enter.
And okay. Okay.
ls.
So they install this one, right? Untar here.
Sorry, have you
Yeah.
listed the? Okay, I think there's a bit of lag. I
You
still
can't see.
cannot see.
You can't see
It's
this.
not. No, your screen is stuck actually. I'll wait for some time.
Okay. Maybe I will stop
Yeah, yeah,
sharing and
yeah. No,
see.
no. I can
You
see
see
it
now?
now. Go,
Wow.
go to the JDK folder, which is which was just extracted.
Hello.
Yeah,
So we just untar. We don't need to do any configuration or anything on this.
correct.
No.
No. So if you see, you have bin directory. There is no JRE directory, is it? Inside this, there should be a JRE directory as well. So not sure if like if it is not there in 11.025, I mean JDK 11, but in
Mm.
JDK 8 you have a separate JRE directory, right?
Yes.
So that's fine. Like you can use this folder as well as JRE, your runtime environment. That
Okay.
will not cause any issues.
Okay.
Okay, ls. Okay, sorry. cd bin go to bin directory
Or in this
and
here only?
yeah, yeah, go to bin directory and check the Java version.
Mm. So Java version depends on the where you run from that, is it?
Correct. So when you execute any command, it
Yeah.
will,
So this is old.
this is
23.
23. No, type which Java
Oh, okay.
to see
Yeah.
from where it is. No, it is
Uh,
still taking it from that. No, it should not take it like this. Okay, type dot slash Java hyphen version.
dot slash Java.
Java hyphen version.
So this will come from here, 25.
So
You need to change the Java
this
home?
is 1 second. This is okay. So if you see the JDK and JRE, they have the same output, right? Java runtime
Yeah.
environment, this 25, 20. Yeah. So we
So
can use this
Java.
for our, you can use this for our Java, I mean JDK as well as JRE. Yeah.
Mm. So this is
Okay.
JRE, right? This is JRE. And
No,
then
no.
this is,
It is just telling you which runtime environment it is. So
yeah.
every JDK is going to contain a runtime environment. So that's what it is. So it is a JDK. It
Mm.
is with all the files required for development, and also
Mm.
it contains the runtime environment. In
Mm.
earlier versions, there would be a separate folder, JRE's folder, inside JDK folder. So you would have
Mm.
your own development kit as well as a separate JRE that you can copy paste if you just need runtime environment. But here
Mm.
it seems, it does not have a separate folder. We can use this for our JDK as well as JRE, right? So now what we are going to do is we are going to replace the JRE folder which is in our PS home, right? So
Mm.
do one thing, go back one step, one step more,
One more?
one step more, yeah, one more. Yeah,
Okay.
now here you copy this folder, cp space cp hyphen r, that is recursive
Yeah.
hyphen r space source folder name, which is jdk 11025, and you have to copy that to your ps home directory. So you can copy the path from the above command where you printed which Java, right? Which Java? Not so. Don't scroll
Here.
up. There itself you have. Yeah. Copy it only till PS home.
Yeah, understand. I just PS1.
Remove everything. Yeah, remove JRE as well. Yeah. Enter.
Enter,
Yeah.
yeah. Mm. So we're gonna copy this file. What are you copying it now? We're copying JDK thing.
We are
Okay.
copying the whole folder, JDK
Yeah.
folder in this. Now, can you ls this PS home directory? You don't need to
Yeah.
cd.
Okay.
You can ls directly from here.
Yeah.
Do you
Let's
see
copy it.
that JDK 11? Yeah, okay. Now we are going to copy the same folder in PT folder as well. So just ls till PT.
Here.
Yeah, enter. Yeah. So you
Okay.
see a JDK folder here as well, right? So we are going
Yeah.
to replace this folder as well. So just execute the same CP command and
Mm.
remove PS home directory.
This one, yeah.
Yeah, enter.
That's it. We really put a not, yes. PT slash
Not needed. Slash is not needed.
on there,
Enter.
yeah. Okay. Okay. So
cp-r.
sorry,
You have to copy the JDK 1125 directory to this PT as well.
we just did.
No, no, you
No. Oh
just
no, no, no.
listed.
Sorry. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Sorry. I thought I just listed. Oh, did I? Sorry. I thought it's one mistake. Okay. So copy PT here, right?
Enter. Yeah.
Okay.
Now ls, just check if it is copied.
Yeah. Yes, it did.
It is
So we
copied.
got
Okay.
JDK and JDK 11.025.
Yeah. Now do one thing. Stop your app server and web server.
Okay.
Go to PS admin because
We will start another session. Yeah.
yeah, you can start another session and bring your process scheduler, app server, web server, everything down, which is running on this
Okay.
machine.
For the CPU patching, we need to bring all down.
Right.
Is it?
Yes. Why? Because WebLogic is already running a Java process, right?
Mm.
So now if you,
Mm.
so it's better to kill everything
Okay.
which
Well,
is
what is the
running.
sequence for killing? Do you have any preferred way, or you can just kill from anywhere?
You first bring down the application server and then the web server and then your scheduler.
Okay.
There is no specific sequence, but you
Yeah.
usually like, I mean, I usually bring down application server first.
Okay. Okay. I just shut down. Yeah. I won't
Yeah,
bother to check it. I'm sure it's running.
right.
Do I need to check it right now?
No, no, you don't have to do. You can
Uh,
directly shut it down.
go to
And how about your issue? What was that fixed?
yes. there
Okay.
was a there was a disk full.
Right.
I felt like I was so stupid, so I didn't even bother to check that the disk was. Okay, anyway, that was good learning for me. Like you got to
Yeah.
be careful. So okay, now I'll go to the web server.
Yeah. So if you had noticed, like in in your recent issue, you could see that the domain was showing up, like it
Yeah,
was misbehaving, right? It was not behaving
yeah,
in as expected.
yeah,
So
yeah.
if something is wrong on the server, it might behave weirdly. So you have to
Mm,
keep a tab. I mean, you have to
mm,
look at all the
sure.
messages. I mean, when you execute ps admin,
Yeah,
it clearly showed you that the disk was full.
yeah,
So,
yes. But you know what? Like when I did that, I fixed it, right? And the people were impressed with me.
good, good.
I mean, that's how the whole idea, isn't it?
Right.
Okay, yeah. So two process scheduler. Okay, one, two. I feel like I know like quite a lot now compared to like before we started this training. I mean,
Right.
what's your feeling?
Yes, yes. Even I feel the same. You
Yeah.
like just now I just told you to bring down all the domains and
Yeah.
you were able to do it without any
No,
instructions.
this is simple now.
Yeah. No, even this is, sometimes people take time to
Oh,
understand.
really?
I mean,
No, no.
yeah,
This is now like is becoming like a normal for me now.
right.
Okay, so we go there. So we go to the next. Do we need to check
Just,
like all these
yeah,
PS
just
minus,
verify using ps-ef
right?
grep java.
Yeah. grep minus I Java. Okay, good. And I'll just do the apps.
Now you are an expert.
I also do the BBL.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay. All right. So this is all good. We go to the this one.
right.
So now
Now,
you want to remove this. You want to this put as old
no,
JDK
s-
11.23.
correct. Yeah, you have to rename both the
Mm,
folders. So
mm,
first you take the backup of the original folder in case something goes wrong and your application does not start, or if
yeah.
some kind of issue happens,
Yeah.
we can
Mm,
revert it to the old folder,
okay.
right? So first you go to PT, like go to
Uh,
both the folders where you have.
yeah. So we are in here JDK. Okay. So you go to first to PT. Is it go to PT or just you can just rename from there?
No, you have to go to PT. I mean, you can do it from here as well, but better to
Better.
go to
Better.
PT
Okay.
and do it.
Okay. You know what you're doing here. Okay. Okay. So here.
LS.
Yeah. Okay. Move.
Now rename the old one. So
Do
move
it the rename
JD.
or
No, no, no. MV.
yeah.
MV
Yeah. MV
JDK.
JDK to JDK.
JDK
Um,
dot old, or JDK dot back, or
11.
JDK underscore today's date.
Oh, okay. I think it was 23. We don't do that.
No, we usually give today's date, like when
Oh, okay.
the
So that you
backup
know,
was taken.
2024
Right.
and 1107. Yeah.
Yeah. Enter.
Okay. Okay.
Now rename the new
Do we
folder.
rename or just take a copy?
No, no, rename.
Is it?
Why
Okay.
do we need to copy? I mean, if we
Just
copy
backup.
it,
We don't care
yeah,
about backup. Yeah?
right.
JDK. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Enter.
Yeah. We,
LS.
okay.
Yeah. Go to JDK folder.
CD JDK. So we
Go to
just
bin.
CD bin.
Type dot slash Java hyphen version. Enter.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
good.
Okay. Good. Go
Okay. Now
back.
this is PT. Yeah. So we need to go to one step. This is PWD. So we need to. This is go back few steps.
Yeah. Two steps and then go to PS home.
Mm,
Only two steps. Yeah.
okay. Please.
Enter.
So here CD. This is JDK.
Right. So
So we want
first you
to
need
read
to
it
take
JRE.
backup of JRE. Yeah.
Yeah.
Rename JRE folder to.
JRE to JRE 2024 1107. What? So now
And rename the JDK folder
to
to
JRE.
JRE.
So basically JDK and JRE the same, yeah?
Yeah, you can use it as your runtime environment.
JDK can be run as JRE and vice versa.
Yeah. So in JDK 8, like as far as I know, till JDK 8, there was a separate folder, JRE folder, and
Mm,
JDK is going to contain your development tools plus JRE, right?
mm,
And when you use JRE specifically, you just have runtime environment. You don't need other stuff which JDK has. So
mm,
JRE is the lighter version, you
yeah.
know, just to run the application. But if you
Okay.
want to develop, you need a full-fledged JDK, so, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Now, yeah, verify it using .java version.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
and
start.
go back. No, go back one step. and now execute Java hyphen version. Java hyphen version.
from here also.
Yeah,
Dot,
but
no
remove
dot.
dot slash. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
all good.
Okay. So basically, the Java home has taken the files
Correct.
from GRE and JDK.
Right. So
Okay.
we have
Okay.
not changed the path. So
Yeah.
usually in some places I've seen that they maintain the folders with the
Mm,
version number, which I
mm,
think is a bad practice. I mean, you have to make changes to a lot of things if
mm,
you keep version number in your folder name. So better to
mm,
use just plain JDK and JRE so that it
mm.
does not mess up with your configuration files at all.
Okay. Understand. No, I think this is a very important lesson. Yeah. I mean, for me, because this does. I'm really confused with the. I was very confused with the GRE, JDK, and all that stuff, Java and all that. But now I think this is good for me. I think
Right.
this is very important for us to know. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Okay. So now start.
No, don't start. We are going to
Okay.
complete the whole patching and then
Okay.
start our application.
Okay. So before
This
this
is,
is we started now CPU. We brought down the servers. Now
and we have started the CPU patch.
we fix this CPU patch now.
GoLogica mobile
If you
testing
look at
training
this
provides
page,
learners.
where is this one? Oh my goodness, this is gone. Okay, okay. So we fixed this one, JDK
Right,
one,
correct.
right?
Yes,
Okay, now we're going to do the web logic.
right.
Hmm. Okay,
So
now
unzip,
for this one we need to do the unzip it first. Okay, so
yeah,
we're going to do the SPB version, yeah.
right, correct.
Okay, so where is this one? So here, so CD. So we're still on PS ADM one.
Correct.
Hmm. So we go to the PS home, PS ADM one. So LL. So now we unzip.
The generic folder, generic
Do we
zip.
need to do we need to put somewhere or
You can put it in a separate folder just for our understanding. You can create mkdir CPU.
okay?
Yeah.
So we just do the same thing, yeah?
Yeah, and
Unzip.
then inside that, if you want, you can put like you can create one more folder for October, then one more folder for January 2025, and
Okay. So that you can keep continuing with that.
right.
Okay. CD.
No,
Okay. Make
unzip.
all first unzip it.
Yeah, type
Okay.
unzip space hyphen d
CPU and
generic.
Linux, correct?
No, no,
This
not Linux. Linux
we
one
did.
was
We
for
already did Linux.
JDK.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. So this is where
generic.
I confused. Okay. So this is the
Right.
we did first before this. Okay.
Right. Enter.
Hmm. 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 So they got WLS SPV here now.
Yeah,
CPU LL. Oh, go here.
yeah,
Okay. Read me or what? SPPET
yeah.
microprocessor.
You can open readme.txt. Let's see what's there in it. Oh, nice.
Okay, so it is
Scroll
I
down.
think
Now this
Pricing.
might not be very readable.
Okay,
Can
well,
you unzip
everything is
this?
supported only for the products. Oracle Fusion Middleware. We will only update company list in the if you're running Linux, then you can use stack patch bundle. See,
Automation tool
no,
SPY.
or you have to use SP back. This is
Do one thing, open it on your Windows machine. Go to the downloaded file uh, and unzip it on your PC. Or you don't even have to unzip it. Go to File Explorer,
here.
Downloads folder,
There we go.
double click on the generic one. No, don't unzip it. It's okay. Don't unzip. Just double click on that folder. Why does it say so? Okay, unzip it.
So this one, I'll just put this one CPU. Why? Oh, we cannot open the file. Look at that thing. We need
Why
to
does
create a
it say it is invalid?
no, I said I need to probably create a CPU folder.
No, no, that is not the problem. It said the zip file itself was invalid.
Let me extract all. CPU is
Okay, can you
invalid.
unzip it? Can you unzip it using 7-zip?
7-zip?
Yeah, you have 7-zip, right?
Yeah. Extract file.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay. So you want to check the HTML.
Sorry?
You want to check the HTML readme.
Yeah, yeah.
Readme.html.
Yeah, you can open it in your browser. Go inside your CPU folder, open that HTML file. Yeah. So, yeah, it has all the steps. We'll follow this.
Yeah, introduction system overview. You said this is for this one. Slim light and all that. Installation option. If you're running Unix, so then you can use patching option. So it's within here.
SPY. Yeah, this is applicable to us. We're running on Linux.
Okay. So this tool applies patches in SPV, but it can also for SPV.
That's fine. It's SPBAT is the utility with which you can
Yeah.
do the pre-check and then install and then post-check. So it will
Okay.
show you the commands below. Scroll down and go to the Linux section. Yeah, just
Here.
uh, yeah, using SPBAT. Yeah, that one.
Hmm?
Look,
Login and run OS user. The installer service.
just hmm.
Okay. Verify the Java home setting in the Oracle home. Where what you have installed.
Now we'll follow these steps. Go to first of all, your Oracle home should be pointing to BIA folder, right? That would be our Oracle home for WebLogic. Correct?
Correct.
So let's do that. Go to your server
Okay.
and you can close this and go to BIA folder
In PS
inside
admin too, yeah.
NPT. Yeah, NPT BIA.
But we need to go to PS admin 2 or 1.
PS
That's the
admin
two.
1. PS
Oh,
admin
PS
1
admin
should be
1.
fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
CD. So go to home. Um,
No, I think
CD.
it is OPT Oracle or something. No, no, no. Go to PT folder, which is inside your, or go to PS home. That would be better.
CD.
LS.
Oh, okay. So
Go
CD.
back one step and go to BIA.
Okay.
PWD.
This one. No.
No, no. PWD only till BIA. Now
Okay.
set your Oracle home to this folder.
Okay.
So
Export.
type export Oracle underscore home equal to BIA
Double
path.
Oracle what? Underscore home
Home.
equals this, yeah.
No, no, no. Don't put dollar. Export Oracle
Okay, yeah.
underscore home equal to.
Oracle home underscore no
Yeah.
colon, no commas, nothing, right? Just no, just
No,
like this,
right,
yeah.
right. Enter.
Okay.
LS. Okay,
Mm.
not LS. Uh, Go to OUI folder. There's one folder called OUI. Go there. LS. And it has asked you to verify one file.
Where?
Go back to the document. Go back to the HTML document.
Mm,
Yeah, it has asked you to verify uh, global environment.properties file. So this is a hidden file. You have to type ls-a.
Oh, so you need to
Type,
find this file there where you have
yeah,
installed Java. Okay,
correct.
and okay. So
ls-a.
yeah.
Just show the contents of this file.
Mm,
You can cat or yeah,
nothing there. There's a automated channel.
Java underscore home. It is pointing to the JDK folder which we have already upgraded, correct? Which we have just upgraded.
Correct. Yeah, but we did not upgrade. We didn't touch this one. Oh, this is okay. 11.0.
This is just no, no. That is just a new variable name. I mean, it is pointing to the
Yeah,
same folder.
yeah. No. Oh, it is. It is. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's correct.
Go back to the document.
Mm. See,
So we
this
have
is where
verified this,
Java. Yeah, we did that. This is
right?
the
And
correct one. Yeah.
OPatch version also we have to verify. It should be at least .13 for running SPB-BAT.
Where is
So
that? Oh,
let's
as noted in the prerequisite, OPAS is the minimum required version to SPBAT. Okay.
right.
Now the OPAS.
Go
Where is OPAS?
go back to yeah. Now here, go back one step.
India.
LS. There should be an OPatch
There is
folder.
OPAS.
Go to OPatch and
Oh,
type
oh,
/opatch
let me just see what it says. Right.
/opatch space version.
No, virtually.
No, yeah, just version. Enter. So it
This is
is 13.9.4.2.15.
okay. And then what is it?
Just check
39,
what is the minimum version required.
39, 4.
13.9.4.2.13 is required.
So
So we are on
39,
higher
4,
version.
39, 4, it says. We got 39, 4, 215.
So
215.
we are on the higher version.
Yeah. Okay, that still is good.
Yeah,
So what happens if
right.
my version is lower than that?
Then you have to apply OPatch patch as well.
Or you have to go through OPAS?
No, no, you
No,
have
sorry, you
to
cannot use OPAS.
download.
Sorry. You can't use the SP bad.
No, you can, but you have to first patch your OPatch.
Oh, okay. So you need to bring the OPAS to this level, higher than this level
Right,
first.
right,
Understood.
right.
Okay. And in order to do that, so you need to SP OPAS.
The first step. If you see in
Oh,
the
this is what?
option two, in option two, the first one above that,
Oh,
just above that,
Okay, yeah.
patch, yeah,
Okay. So this is going to bring it to the OPAS. Understood. Okay. And for
right,
that, you need to do the exactly the same thing. They change the directory, whatever, all, and just replace to the OPAS here.
right, right.
So we always do this, yeah. There's no really installation. It was just like a
Yeah,
replace old
I,
new.
yeah, you just replace, just like JDK,
Yeah.
OPatch can also be replaced. I mean, you just replace the
Okay.
folder, that's it.
Okay. Okay. Gotcha. All right. No, good. Okay.
Go back
So
to the document.
a document. Okay.
Yeah,
No, not this one. Wait here. Read me.
yeah. Now let's start the patching process.
Okay. So this is
So
the requirements. SPRB requirements are fulfilled.
fulfilled, yes.
Correct. So now we go to this one.
Now
This is the first process.
patching overview, we have to run pre-check, then stop the services. So our services are already stopped.
Stop.
So second point we've done.
Yeah.
Let's do the pre-check and then apply those apply the patches, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
So let's let's go to this folder in
Restart.
the extracted folder.
Reply this. Okay. So run pre-check and apply phase during this. This one. This is the pre-check. Yeah.
This is the pre-check. Yeah. So
Okay.
go
We
to the unzip folder
unzip folder in here.
in our home PSADM1 CPU.
Hmm.
CPU. Go to that folder. Go to tools.
Where's tools?
There should
Okay.
be a folder tools.
Okay.
ls.
Result patch.
Go to SPBAT.
Okay. So this is the individual one. This is for the group. Okay.
ls. Go to generic. ls. Go to SPBAT.
Okay.
ls. There should be a spbat.sh that we need to execute. Go back to the document once. It is hyphen hyphen pre-check or hyphen pre-check. What is it?
Hmm. Okay. So this one.
Right. So
This is for the Unix.
hyphen
Yeah.
hyphen face pre-check. Just till pre-check you can mention. Don't mention Oracle Home. Let's see. Because
Okay.
Oracle Home we have already said, right?
Hmm.
Copy that and execute it with this input. Enter. What does it say? Okay, Oracle Home is a
Also.
mandatory thing.
Yeah.
So type Oracle underscore home and then space
For this one.
dollar.
Right.
dollar Oracle home, dollar Oracle underscore home.
Yeah.
Yeah, enter.
Where's the
Yeah.
configuration?
Now it is doing the pre-check.
So long configuration. Okay. So it's just
See,
checking like what are meaning things and all that. So do we need to go through each, or it'll be just we just look at the final report?
yes, yes, you can look at when this command completes.
Mm.
So right now everything is success, success. So
Mm.
middleware. So it checked the BEA folder. Middleware home is present.
Mm.
JDK release is 0.25, which we recently upgraded. So that is also supported,
Mm.
right? So it is so WebLogic. Now it has checked what all patches are applied already, right?
Mm.
So it is saying that January CPU patches applied.
So where do you see that?
There is one line list of patches present in the Oracle Home.
Okay, list of
The
okay.
just below that line, just below
Yeah.
that line, it says CPU Jan 2024 at the end.
Yes.
Yeah,
So, but this is we are talking about we are October. But this is CP. So this is the
yeah.
one
So
is applied.
list of patches which are already applied on Oracle Home, which are present
But
already in.
what happened to the other patches like July and all that?
No, those are not applied because this PUM image was might be released after maybe in February or something, right? So after that, whatever patches have
It,
come,
it,
it
so,
is
so, so the form image that we created was not the latest one.
no, it was the latest one, but it is released every 4 months
Oh,
or
okay,
so,
okay, okay. Oh, okay, okay, okay. I see what you mean.
right?
Okay.
So it might not be with the latest CPU patch. It is your
Oh,
responsibility to patch it.
okay, understand. Oh, I'm with you. Okay. Mm,
So it is now checking all the patches which are there in this bundle,
mm,
and it is saying that, for example, the first patch is not applicable, so it will be skipped. The second
mm,
is not applied, and it is going to apply that, right? Now, if you
mm,
see in the middle somewhere, it says already applied, so that will also be skipped. So it is analyzing what all things are applied with what needs to be applied.
mm. And it's going to put all these in these logs or somewhere or to
Yes,
configuration.
correct. It is
Okay.
writing on the logs.
And it's going to read from the logs when they're applying it. Which one to apply or
Right.
not. Okay.
Yeah,
What
I
is
think
N
when
apply? Sorry. No, sorry, go ahead.
I'm also not sure what's that.
Okay. So you just go ahead what you're saying.
So I was saying when you apply the patch, I think it is going to do the pre-check once again. That's
Oh,
when
really?
it
Okay.
actually collects all the information.
But it's a mandatory that we do pre-check before you apply.
No, it's not mandatory.
But I mean recommended.
Recommended, yes.
Okay. And
Yeah.
what's the general practice from you? Like, do you
So
do it
it's
or
been a
you just
long time. It's been a long time since I've applied a patch. I mean, there is a separate team who does that.
okay?
But here in this organization, I have to do it.
And the new
Uh,
organization.
yeah. But in the old one, it was there was a separate team who would take care of all the Oracle products. They would patch
Okay.
them.
Mm,
My role was a bit different. I did not
mm,
handle this patching and all.
mm. Okay. The time taken to is 0 hours, 4 minutes, 11 seconds. The expert pre-check phase has completed successfully.
Right.
Okay. And pre-check summary, number of failures, 0, warning, 0.
Right.
So if there is a
So we are
failures
good to
and
go.
warning, what would you do?
Like usually, if you go as per their schedule
Mm,
and you do not apply any ad hoc patch, or if you've not done any unwanted change, you will never get any failure. Like if you say
okay.
apply just January patch, then July
Mm,
patch, October patch. If you continue this cycle,
Mm,
it's very low probability that you would
mm,
get any failure. Yeah, if there is
okay.
any issue with your server itself, say there is no space, or say your minimum Java, suppose you forgot to upgrade the Java and it was of lesser version, then you would
Mm,
have those warnings. So right now we are all good because we have upgraded the Java. If it
mm,
was of lower version, this success message would turn into warning or failure. So in
mm,
that
mm,
case, it would, increase this number.
okay, understood.
But we are
Okay,
following the sequence, so we have not
good,
got
good.
any error.
Okay, so now
Okay,
go back
what's
to
next? Yeah,
so go
go
back
back
to
to the
the
document and you can apply the patch.
so SPI. Okay, this is the one. Now apply. This was now. So stop all services. There are no Java process running on the Oracle home. Okay, so we do navigate to SPBAT directory.
Yeah, that
I
we
think
are
we are
already in.
already in PWT, right?
Yeah.
So we are in that. Okay. So then we run this WLS SPV version.
No, no, not run this. We should be in that
We
directory.
go to our directory. Okay. Understand. Yeah, of course. So we are in this directory, right? Tools
Right.
SPAT generate SPBAT. Okay, that's right. Run the SPBAT utility to apply this. So the same
That's
thing. So
same thing
rather
instead of
than
check.
pre-check, apply.
Right.
Okay. So okay, let me put some space here. So apply here.
Yeah.
Okay, just enter.
Enter.
Okay, sure, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. This is pretty straightforward, right? Well,
Right.
this is only for the web logic.
This is only for WebLogic. For Tuxedo,
Okay,
you
so I
would
have to
use
do the
OPatch.
same for the tuxedo.
For Tuxedo, you would use OPatch.
O patch.
So yeah, and OPatch is very similar to this. So it has ls inventory. I'll till it Okay, let it complete. I'll explain you the process of OPatch
Okay,
as well.
okay.
It's
All right.
very similar to this.
Okay.
So here we did not need to change the Oracle underscore home. Like we had
Mhm.
specified the Oracle home explicitly, right, in the arguments. But when you
Yes.
are using OPatch, it is mandatory that you set your Oracle underscore home environment variable. With SPBAT, it
Mm,
was not necessary. Like if we did not do it, then also like we could have passed the whole path in the argument.
mm, yeah.
It was not required.
Okay.
So see, and it is also not doing anything new. I mean, if you follow the sequence, it says a minimum OPatch version check, right?
Mm,
What it has done.
mm,
So it has executed this command. It has given you the command as well. So OPatch space ls patches. Ls patches is to list all the patches which are applied on your Oracle home. So same thing you would do manually for Tuxedo. So you set the Oracle home parameter to Tuxedo home, then
mm.
you check what all patches are applied. We'll do it. We'll do it for Tuxedo as well. We don't have any
Okay.
patch to be applied, but we can at least go and check what is applied
Sure.
and what not.
Okay.
And for applying, it is straightforward command opatch space apply. That's it.
Mm, okay. Mm, interesting.
So see, it has done all those pre-checks again. If you see, it has
Yeah.
checked what all
Yeah.
patches are applied. So it is going
Okay.
to spend those 4 minutes again for pre-check, and then it will start applying.
Understood.
And if
Okay.
you see OPatch upgrade has succeeded, so it has patched the OPatch as well. So if you
Mm,
follow the messages,
yeah.
exactly in the middle, it says middleware OPatch version is .15, which we
Yeah.
had, right? And then SPB version is .17, and then it says OPatch was upgraded,
Yeah.
right? So it has
Yeah.
upgraded our OPatch, And now,
Mm.
yeah, pre-check report is in progress. So it is still running the pre-check.
Mm. So it goes through one check, and if there is like went through the O patch, it checks it, then it upgrades that, and goes to the takes another one patch and checks there and upgrade that like that.
No, actually,
No, okay.
you can say in a way, yes. I mean, first it's upgrading OPatch. That's the first step. And then it is
Mm.
going with WebLogic patch.
Okay, understood.
Like the
And if
patching
something
would,
goes wrong, then do you look. So do you look into these log files?
well, if something goes wrong, as in if it says everything was successful and still
Mm.
your application is not getting up or you are facing issues with your application, and if you want to roll back, there is a rollback command as well. So if you go to the document, you can go to the document, scroll down.
But there's some rollback steps.
Yeah,
Okay.
rollback steps.
Okay, this is the same thing. End rollback. That's always okay.
Yeah,
Mm. And yeah, I hope like someone has tested this. Okay.
yeah,
And then after post installation says verify if the
yeah.
patch from inventory.
So whatever patches you had applied, you can verify using OPatch ls
Mm.
patches.
Okay. Now this is very important, I think, for me. This is I think we'll have to do now this quarterly, right?
Yes.
Mm. So we already now we are going through this October patch, and the guy is left, so I'm left with we need to do this one.
Right.
Hopefully this will help me. Okay. So where are we now? Okay. So now, so this is pre-check is finished. So now
Right.
is the
Uh,
application patch is
Application
in
of
progress.
patches is in progress.
Hmm. So that took about 5 minutes. Now it probably take another 10 minutes.
No, I don't think it will take that long.
No? Okay. So this has to be done only in the maintenance window. This is where to bring down. Can you upgrade like one server at a time, or oh, sorry, multiple servers at the same time?
Mm-hmm.
Can you?
Yeah,
You can't.
just 1 second. 1 second. I'm on my phone. Give me a minute. Yeah, tell me.
No, my question was, if like in the in if you need to do in the pre-pro or production, like where they have like a three WebLogic, three application server, and all that. So do we have to do individually, or we have to do like so together at the same time? What's the practice?
No, you would do everything together. So say
So you
CPU
run the
patch.
command together, you pre-check together. You need to move those files or all that check together. Like you just do one, go to the one server, then go to the next one, and like that.
Right.
Is it?
Sorry, Chetan. Just give me 1 minute.
Sure, sure.
Just give me 1 minute. I'll be back. Yeah, Chetan. Sorry, what was your question?
Okay, my question was when you have multiple servers, like a
Mm-hmm.
WebLogic, there are three WebLogics and three application servers and like
Mm-hmm.
multiple process schedulers. When I'm applying these patches on the
Mm-hmm.
multiple servers, how do I do it? Do I finish one server, then go to the next server, or do everything together in parallel?
Right. So usually what happens is you would start with the lowest environment, as in your development environment, for example, which
Yeah.
usually does not have multiple domains,
Mm,
right? It would be one web server, one app server, and maybe two couple of schedulers.
mm,
So you would start with a very small environment, test it
yeah.
for the whole application,
Mm.
right? Like apply it on all the servers which are part of that application, and then test that application thoroughly. When you're happy, you can move, like go ahead with the other application.
Okay, so when you say test it means who is going to test? I have to test it, or I got to ask tester to test it?
So there is something called sanity check that you
Yes.
have to do. Say
Okay.
you run some sample processes, you would navigate to some navigations, you would check if the gateway is pingable, you would check if node is pingable. So all those things you have to do, and you would have a sanity checklist that you have to perform after every patching. So if it is there with you, well and good. If not, I can provide you the steps which are generally done as part of
Please.
sanity check.
Yeah. Yeah. Please. I think that I would need them.
Yeah.
I don't think I don't
So
have that. And he
okay.
hasn't given.
So I'll provide that list. Right. So
Okay.
those
Thank you.
checks you will do. After that,
Okay.
you would release it for the users after you are done with your patching. Say your
Mm.
development team. And
Yeah.
then when they have used it for a day or so, they would give a go ahead that you can go and do it on your testing instance and UAT instance.
Mm.
Or you can say that okay, I've applied it on dev, and I'll apply it the next day on test instance. Till then you
Mm.
have time to test it. Till then,
Okay.
if you get an answer that okay, something is broken because of this, you would revert it on dev and
Mm.
you will not proceed with the patching. If you do not hear anything from them, you go ahead and apply it on your test instance, UAT, whatever. you know
Mm.
so, and after waiting for a week or so, like there would be a time gap between your non-prod patching and production patching. Why? Because in
Mm.
non-prod, say some bug was not caught in your development instance, like you would give
Mm.
them a day or two and then apply it on all the environments, non-prod environments, then wait for a
Mm.
week or two, just for the users to confirm back, if there is any issue. Uh, and your production patching would be a planned activity. So it would go
Mm.
as per plan, say every month, third weekend. I'm
Mm.
just giving you an example.
Sure.
Every month,
Mm.
third weekend, whether it be your Windows patching, OS patching, your PeopleSoft related patching, everything
Mm.
would go in that particular window,
Okay.
right? So before that, you have to make sure it is applied in non-prod, well tested for a
Mm.
week or two, and then you would do it in production.
Okay. No, that's good. But my question, I mean, like that's really good answer that I'm hearing for you. I think it helps. But my other question was, if I have a multiple servers within the same environment, like say two logics, web logics, or three web logics, and if I have to apply the patches, do I patch all three servers together or in series?
In series. So for your dev instance, are you using all
No,
three
no, no, I'm not talking about
servers?
dev. I'm talking about, let's say, pre-prod, right? In pre-prod, we have
Pre-prod.
three.
So
Yeah,
till you apply on pre-prod, you would have applied it on dev and tested it
correct.
for a day. So
Yes.
once you are confident, usually
Yeah.
things don't go wrong, right? So
No,
if
no, sorry. My
they
question
go
was,
wrong,
my question was, there are three servers, right, in WebLogic
yeah, you would apply on all of them together. After
together.
waiting, yeah, after waiting for
So,
a day,
yeah.
you
No,
bring
say
down the
server
whole
one,
application.
there are server one, server two, and server three. Okay, in WebLogic, right? So, do I
Right.
apply server one first, then go to server two, then server three within the pre-prod, or I do the server one, two, and three together at the same time?
Depends on your downtime. So if they are happy with application going down completely, you
Yeah.
can shut down everything, take 30 minutes downtime,
Oh,
apply the patch, and bring it up after your
okay,
validation. Right? That's
okay,
the best practice. Like take a downtime, test it yourself, and then hand over. But you can do it in rolling fashion. If some critical activity is going on, you don't want to bring it down, then you can go
yeah,
one by one. Like you bring one WebLogic down, patch
exactly,
it,
exactly. Yeah,
something like that. But it
understand,
is a
understand.
good practice to bring everything down, completely
Mm,
shut down the application so that nobody uses it, right?
mm,
And then
yeah.
patch it and then bring it up.
Okay, okay. So I have to see what's the practice they have.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha, gotcha. So this is done.
This is done, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's go ahead and okay. So it is listed the patches which are applied. So we have applied this WLS stack patch bundle, right? 24/10/08, which is 2024 October 08. So
Mm,
your October stack patch bundle is applied. The first line. No, no, the first,
mm,
yeah, this one. So this SPB is applied, which came as part of your October CPU cycle,
mm,
right? And you can verify this yourself. Go to Oracle underscore home, CD Oracle underscore home, enter, go to OPatch,
there is Opus here? Okay, go
capital
to Opus.
O patch folder. Type
Paste
OPatch space ls patches
Opus.
space ls patches together. Ls patches.
Okay.
Enter. And your SPB bundle also did the same thing. It is just that it completed all the patching
Mm,
in sequence without you knowing. But you can do
mm,
everything manually as well, and it is very straightforward. It's not very complicated.
mm,
Using
okay.
OPatch, if you want to patch your tuxedo, for example, let's
Mm,
check what's there on your tuxedo. So change your
in
Oracle home,
okay.
change your Oracle home to your tuxedo folder.
Okay, let me go to first what we have, just for my record. Because
Yeah.
Oracle Home is this. So now we want to change this to
Now export
export. Um,
Oracle underscore home,
home
equal to,
to equals to
paste that path, be a path, and then slash,
which path? This one? Yeah.
be a path, yes,
Yeah.
and then slash tuxedo, tab, press tab, and then again tux, type tux, and then tab,
Hmm.
enter.
So now we're changing
Execute
Oracle
it.
Home to Tuxedo. This is what you were saying before. We keep changing
Right,
Oracle Home. Yeah. Okay. Gotcha.
right.
Yeah. Okay.
Now execute opatch ls patches once again.
From here. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. So now he's going to take it
enter.
from the Tuxedo.
Exactly.
Okay. What?
So what does it say? It is okay, not OUI based. Can you make it? Can you remove that tuxedo last folder from this path? Type or copy it. till tuxedo, BR tuxedo.
In the
Copy the
export Oracle
export
Home.
command.
In Oracle Home.
Just yeah, export Oracle Home. Just remove the last folder. Enter.
Okay.
Yeah. Now execute.
Please set up to Java Home. This is Java Home.
No, 1 second. What does it say? JDK is not accessible. Please set. Okay. Type export Java underscore home equal to Java underscore home equal to um, J. Yeah, till PT and then JDK slash JDK. No, small JDK, small.
What is it?
Yep. Enter. Execute that once again.
Okay. Okay. This is Opus is the one that we just upgraded, 13.94. We
Okay, what
version
does it say?
Opus version 0.8,
Apache
sorry,
version is not
13.
available. Okay, go do one thing. Go to tuxedo folder. Go to BR tuxedo folder.
This one.
Yeah.
We go to Oracle Home, right?
Go to Opatch. We will
Opus.
use the no. Go to Opatch. We'll use the Opatch which is inside tuxedo.
Mm. Uh, is it? Okay.
Yeah. Now execute Opatch version. First check the version. What?
Okay. This is Opus. That's a no dash.
No dash.
Okay. So this is
So it
old
is.
one.
Oh yeah. So the reason being. Okay. So this is the old one. Okay. WebLogic is the latest one, right? 14 dot something.
Yeah.
So yeah, execute opatch ls patches from here.
Yeah, this
Enter.
will work. Open Opus failed with error code 255.
Mm, What's that? Okay, can you start a new session?
Okay.
Yeah, from here you can execute. Don't switch the
Okay.
user. You can go to
Oracle Home, press
Tuxedo.
add one.
Yeah, you just export.
Okay, so so we again paste any one, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Export here.
Export Oracle underscore home.
Okay. Let me get that from here. Oracle. Get this one.
Yeah.
Uh, export.
Enter. Go to Oracle underscore home.
Enter here.
Yeah, enter. Go to Oracle underscore home.
Opus.
Go to Opatch
Okay.
and type Opatch ls patches.
Patches, yeah?
Yeah. Enter.
Patch or patches?
Mm, no,
No,
ls patches.
still the same.
Just type opatch space ls inventory,
Press space ls
ls inventory together.
ls inventory. What is error code? Opens failed with error code 25.
Okay, leave it. We'll see it tomorrow.